So hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I decided that I would come in front of the camera today, y'all, and do a video of cleaning out my refrigerator and getting all of those things unpacked and broke down so we can go ahead and get them in the refrigerator and get them all organized. So I decided that today would be a good day to go ahead and show it to you. So we're gonna go ahead and jump right into the video. But before we get started, let me just give you an overview of what the refrigerator is looking like.
Why don't we say that it's too late for us now? Why do we stay when I blame you for the things that weigh me down? 'Cause in the echo of your silence, I only hear what's best for me. Yeah, in the echo of your silence, I'm thinking more of her. She who wants to study your body, who gets the better version of you. I need the bitter truth. I need the better version of you. I need the better version of you. I need the better you.
So of course the first thing we have to do is remove everything out of the refrigerator, y'all. So we're gonna work on just the refrigerator side right now and make sure we check all the dates and everything that has expired. Go ahead and get rid of it.
Is it just something you say, or is it the same with that girl you texting when I look away?
So now that we have everything removed out of the refrigerator, we're gonna go ahead and get it all cleaned up, cleaned out, get all of the drawers and everything removed out and get those all washed and cleaned up. And then we'll go ahead and get everything placed back in the refrigerator.
Who wants to study your body?
Wow, do y'all see all of that? This refrigerator was long overdue for a good cleaning. So I'm glad that I finally got around to doing it. Oh my goodness, y'all. We're gonna have to make sure that we get this done more often. And I'm going in with the Lysol all-purpose cleaner and the lemon scent. Well, it's called Lemon Breeze. And of course I'm using a microfiber cloth.
Version of you. You think I'm crazy, but I know I am. You're losing your patience, I already have. Don't try to change me, I'm just the way I am. Don't try to save me, 'cause I can't be saved. I keep falling under all this pressure, falling under ever since I met you. Baby, I'm no good, but you know better, better. I got all these voices on repeat, singing me to sleep. Better off waking me close, keep calling each other. You might think I'm slipping in too deep. This is what I need. Better off waking me close, keep calling each other friends. Calling each other friends. Don't try to please me, not sure that you can. Don't get me started, babe, cause this is the end. I keep falling under all this pressure, falling under ever since I met you.
So now that I've gotten the refrigerator all clean with the microfiber cloth and the Lysol all-purpose cleaner, I'm going behind it with a paper towel. For me, it gives it a better shine, and it's a lot clearer. And the shelves are actually glass, so that's why I go behind it with a paper towel. It just makes it a lot better for me.
Better off, we're getting close, keep calling each other friends, calling us friends, calling us friends, calling us friends.
So I'm getting the shelves and the drawers all wiped down and cleaned out. Well, the refrigerator bins, you know what I mean. So I'm getting those cleaned up, and I did go ahead and use the Dawn, and I'm using my Grove sponge to get them all cleaned up and dried.
Got my friends when I'm on my own, calling us friends, calling us friends, calling us friends. I'm by myself but never alone. I got my friends when I'm on my own, calling us friends, calling us friends, calling us friends. I got all these voices on repeat.
And I know you can see the fruit over there on the side. Yes, my oranges, my lemons, my grapes, and also I have tomatoes over there. All of my fruit pretty much is over there. But I did go ahead and get that all washed up really good before I actually put it in the bins in the refrigerator. Just want to let you know that, but I did that off camera. I felt like the video was getting too long, so I didn't want to do that on camera as well.
Us friends, oh baby. Calling us friends, calling us friends, calling us friends. Calling us friends, calling us friends. Buy what I want, I don't want it. Do what I like, I don't like it. My life is a mess, screaming with boredom. I don't feel nothing when I'm buzzing. Someone adds some glamorous hurt. Cause when I sleep alone for insomnia, they say you have to be beaten up before you're tender enough. They say you have to bruise to feel. I chew, I don't taste it. Obsessing over dress when I split. Shoot me a blink, I'm dying from boredom. I even lie when I tell the truth. Honestly, what's the use?
So I'm going to repeat the same process over here on my freezer side. So I'm going to go ahead and go in with the microfiber cloth in the Lysol all-purpose cleaner in the lemon brie scent. I'm doing the same thing over here, except that the freezer was a lot easier. It had its faults as well, and I'm going to show you some close-ups of the bottom of the freezer. You can see it right there. So we need to go ahead and get that all cleaned out and get it going and get it so nice and clean. So we're going to go ahead and finish up the video. I hope that you're enjoying it so far, and thank you so much for sticking around and watching this video to the end. I definitely do appreciate you. And if you're new to my channel and you stop by, thank you so much for stopping by, and I hope you enjoy my content just enough to go ahead and click that subscribe button. And don't forget to click that notification bell so you'll know each and every time I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching. And also, don't forget to go ahead and follow me on Instagram, Getting My Life Together 50. I definitely try to go ahead and be a little bit more consistent over there. I cannot say that I am. I'm still struggling with that. But I'm working on it, y'all. I'm working on it. So this is the finishing touch. This is how the refrigerator and the freezer turned out. I am very, very pleased with it. I can actually see what we have now for the most part and see what's in there, and everything is all nice and fresh. I will see y'all in the next video. Bye. Bye, y'all.
I might be broken down, but I'm smiling. I keep my head up high, though I fail. Sometimes I get a bit emotional, but then I turn around and let it